New at noon, Governor DeSantis making a South Florida stop today.
He's here to announce details for this year's Python Challenge in the Everglades.
Registration is now open for the 2022 Florida Python Challenge. Last year, 223 pythons were removed from the Everglades, and more than 600 people participated from over 25 different states. These pythons are a threat to the Everglades.
A threat that can lay about 100 eggs at a time. The goal of the challenge is to extinguish the population.
These snakes are destroying the natural food chain. And you can't have a healthy environment without a healthy food chain. The Python Challenge we started nearly a decade ago. And we have removed tens of thousands of snakes out of this environment. But it's all about we, all of you, along with our professional hunters that the governor has funded for us to put the pressure on this snake that's destroying the Everglades. We need all of you. I want to thank you, Governor, for all of your funding. And because of your leadership and your vision, you have given us the opportunity to make a difference for all of South Florida and 9 million people that live here.